Okay. Hey y'all, what you doing? Okay, so today we have my friends here, my sister. Can you see her?
I don't know.
Yeah, they
come in closer. They can.
It's
okay.
Just the thing is coming today.
So, my sister, introduce yourself.
I'm Miley.
Say where they can follow.
I'm the one that was twerking on the last one.
I'm Cameron. Y'all saw me at the beach.
I'm Amber. You see me doing a little slapping challenge.
Yes. So, we're going to have a crab mukbang. So we're going to talk about topics.
Yeah.
I'm going to be honest. I ain't finna put on my story, give me topics to do, because people never do it. So, I'm not going to keep doing it. So we're just going to talk about topics that's going on right now. The main one is the president.
Well,
I feel like Biden is going to win.
I hope so. I do too, but it's like, you ever get like a bad feeling about something? Yeah, that's how I feel about him.
I have a good feeling though.
I don't want Trump in office, so. Me neither. I barely want Biden though, but I'm like, Trump, anybody better than Trump is like, fine. That's why I feel.
But I know a lot of people that I know want Trump to win.
Who? I know a couple people too.
Cool.
Yeah, I know.
I know some, name them.
Name no. I can say my brother. Which one?
Call one.
Yeah.
Shamir.
Oh,
what?
Yeah.
Say his last name. No, I'm kidding. What is it, Shamir Shepherd or something?
No. Shepherd.
Okay, I'm gonna think about topics to talk about and we can talk about them. Okay, so.
What's supposed to be here with Garbage?
With Garbage?
Corn? They don't get
if Trump wins, we just gonna have to live with that for another 4 years.
Oh, you want mine?
Isn't your one an immigrant?
I do, but you can have it.
Isn't your one an immigrant?
Oh, I spilled my butter.
Because I know his brother is.
There's another one. There's another one. Over here. Oh, let me.
You're going to have to edit this. I'm just.
Okay. I'm getting messy. Bottom line is,
we gonna get messy. I eat disgusting. Shut up. Go ahead.
I said bottom line is,
because I dropped that bet on my
anybody who likes Trump, I feel like they just uneducated. That's my opinion.
I agree.
I feel like they kind of slow.
I feel like they choose ignorance.
Yeah, and you just choosing ignorant. And if you say that he done something, more than likely, more than likely he was barely a part of that. You know? So you talking about stimulus check, like he only doing that because he want to get reelected.
I seen the comments say, sure, let's take his money and not vote for him.
Right.
Yeah.
And then some people are like, I forgot what they said. Oh, there's a lot of people say, oh, I'm going for Trump because he's honest. He's not a liar. He may say some stupid stuff, but exactly.
Trump is a liar.
But he be honest and stuff. I'm like, okay, maybe.
He said we had a vaccine for Corona, never had one.
He's not honest. All the shit he be talking about, he
the only thing he's honest about is being racist. Like he is just publicly racist. That's all. But everything else is bullshit. So
he be saying he's gonna do all these things and they never get done.
And then,
what do you guys think about the Corona?
That shit needs to hurry the fuck up. I'm over it.
I'm ready to go. Well, I'm ready to go to clubs.
Me too. They said it's like 1 million people who got it.
Really?
Well, the numbers be lying, but hey.
To me, they lie.
I'm over it, but I feel like if Trump would have said like, shut like the whole country down for at least a week. Like we just in our.
Cause I ain't gonna lie, when we at Disneyland, when it first came out.
Yeah, we was at Disneyland when it first came out, but like it wasn't that bad. Damn, I finished on my crab.
Man, that was fun.
It was.
I want to go back. But they're closed.
We kept sanitizing and stuff.
I think it worked though. What? What happened? Why are you whispering? It's gonna be in the video.
Well, you could hear it when you edit it. What's the next topic? Things that are like happening in the world.
Okay. We're gonna talk about a topic that's kind of unfair.
Oh. What are you talking about? Double standards? Let's do it. Okay.
I feel like just because we're girls, people feel like we shouldn't be out having fun.
Not people, men. Men are the only ones who label a female as such. My dad. And exactly.
Really?
I'm like, I don't feel like they have the right to do that when they don't even have a vagina.
Right.
Wait, what? Okay, so men are the only ones who be like labeling females that's like hoes or this and that, you know, just based off stupid stuff. Yeah. Or if a female has 6 bodies, she's a hoe. What do you mean? You got 10 bodies. How many bodies you got? 20. Exactly. And you're not a hoe? Right. Okay. Right. Yeah. But that's what happens in society. They label people as such and then move on.
They make us like that. I'm not gonna lie, guys make us like that. I'm not gonna sit up here and lie because some of them
I just feel like
they just want to go out and have fun and do what you want to do. Because you're doing what you want to do. Right. So why can't we? Just because we're women, you know?
Now, you guys have scissors?
Yeah. The thing. Look at the drawer. Don't use those.
Which one's good use?
Hold on. But nowadays, come get it.
I can't.
Hold on.
Yeah, I hate guys that
they always labeling versus different things. You're a guy. Like, who are you to tell us what we are? A dumbass.
Oh my God. So
and it just like went on for years and years and years. And it's stupid.
It is. So Cameron, from a male perspective, what do you think?
Yeah, I think like it's a double standard. Like they expect you. It was funny.
By the way you said it.
Like they expect they expect women to be like pure.
But they be doing everything in the book.
Exactly. Like, and I feel like it's also just about control. Like, they want to have control over you when you're around and just like.
Yeah, but that shit. If y'all notice, like a lot of female, like in the female community, we don't care what the females do. Like live your life. It's getting more like accepting nowadays.
There's some people who are very judgmental though.
No, there is, but now some people do not care what other people think about them. I thought it was my boo's mom. Like,
oh, I hate that.
He is not texting me all day. Whatever.
I agree with that.
Even with older generations, like.
Even
they want women to be like pure and like virgins, and it's like kind of weird.
I be fucking.
That's weird to me. Like,
thank you.
You know,
you're giving me pedophilia vibes.
Especially if you just getting out of a relationship and you've been in for a long time.
They judge you for jumping in.
Right.
Oh my God, so many people. Like everybody's different.
Just because I jump in the next relationship does not mean I was talking to him while we were in the relationship.
Right.
He just came along and couldn't do what he did, what you couldn't do.
Exactly.
So I gave him a chance.
Right.
That's the problem too.
They do the same thing.
When guys move on, they get praised for it. Oh, you got a new bitch already? That's what's up.
And girl do it. Oh yeah, she must have been holding around.
Yep. That's what they said about me.
Like, boy, you need to shut up.
Mind your business.
Stick your dicks in your pants and worry about what you got down there.
Right.
And I'll worry about what my stuff is doing.
Exactly.
Okay, so I want to talk about how to get over a breakup. Move on to the next.
Either that, or just know your goddamn worth. Be like, why am I crying over this dude?
Get ready, put makeup on. Go out, go party.
Have fun.
That's what I did.
Yeah, that works.
Out.
Yeah.
That's all.
That's what I've been doing. And I'm telling you, I got over it fast. I haven't talked to him in I don't know how long.
2 weeks.
I'm really done. So, getting over heartbreak takes time though. I would say
Definitely.
focus on yourself, most likely.
And just have side pieces.
Yes. Don't make them official.
Yeah.
Just have them, you know.
Have them around.
Right.
Napkins.
Keep them on standby.
Man, he packed those napkins.
They're right here. Oh. They love us.
I know I got sauce all over my elbows.
Yeah, I like, I hate being heartbroken though. You put that shit in your stomach.
Yeah, it makes you sick.
It does make you sick.
Like you want to throw up.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm scared to have another one relationship because I do not want to be hurt again. That shit does not feel good.
It's scary.
Makes you wanna
Honestly,
kill
love is scary.
It is. It's dangerous, especially in this generation.
Because you know what the thing is? You can hop in a relationship when y'all together for like 5 years. Y'all say y'all love each other. Y'all only married. Next day, either one of the people gonna say sorry, like I don't love you no more.
Exactly.
And you're wondering, we spent 5 years together. Where did this come from? Like it's hard because you never know.
Yeah.
Dead ass. I mean,
nothing they do with you will make you feel better. That's only right.
well, I experienced. Let me tell you. Just go and have fun.
Honestly.
just, I'm telling you. People were telling me like, I can't get over this boy. People kept telling me, Mari, I'm telling you right now, once you go out and do you and have fun and stop worrying about what the fuck he got going on, you're gonna get over him. And I did. And I started doing what the fuck I wanted to do. Of course he called me. Of course they come back and they call you and try to get you back.
Always.
Do not fall for that shit. Do not. I'm telling you. I fell for it 80 times. Never again.
Yeah.
Ooh.
You counted?
I feel like with me,
It felt like that.
I could take certain shit,
Mm-hmm.
stuff. I could take
What
things.
sign are y'all? Say your sign.
The Gemini.
There it is.
Cancer.
She a Gemini. This the one people
The
don't
fun
like.
one. Everybody likes me.
I
Except for
talked
that
to a
one
Cancer.
bitch. You know who.
Ooh.
Ooh.
I'm not saying who. I'm here.
I feel
Do we
like
know who?
Yeah.
I feel like she told us.
Okay, so what was you saying? Cameron, put some input on that heartbreak.
I don't know.
It's from a boy perspective. Armand, you want to put some?
No.
Okay. He's an Aquarius too.
But to be honest, I don't base everything off signs.
I just shouldn't say that. I was waiting for it.
Yeah, I just don't.
I don't either no more after I met this
I
other
met-
Cancer.
I met so many different like people that are the same sign and act so different.
Really?
Yeah. Like
I mean,
some
of course, no one's gonna act exactly the same,
Mhm.
but I know there's certain characteristics.
Mhm.
I'm like,
for sure.
I'm like, oh yeah,
Mhm.
this
For
bitch
sure.
is fucking.
Yeah, that's how I be knowing what they is by how they act and their personality most of the time. And I be like, what are you? A Gemini, Pisces? Like, I knew it.
But like, it doesn't stop me from being.
It stopped me from dating. I ain't never dating an Aquarius again.
Certain signs. Yeah, I'm never dating.
Girl
a fucking-
Aquarius are way more caring and more
I'm never dating
emotional,
a
I feel
Virgo.
like, than
A
boy
Virgo.
Aquarius.
I don't that side.
Let's get a JD Pound.
You
Welcome
what?
back to another lead video.
I was talking to a second.
My mom is one.
I always end up with the fire signs. I don't understand that.
I always attract to Aries and Capricorn. Yeah.
It's
I
always,
always attract Aquarius men.
it's always Scorpio.
No, don't date them.
I mean, Scorpios and Aries.
I'm working hard.
Well, do something like
Hey,
that.
you make me wanna-
But yeah, y'all like,
But personally, I feel like I get along with everybody.
I don't know everybody.
It just depends on.
I don't think Gemini's get along with everybody.
Everybody don't get along with Gemini. I feel like I get along with everybody, but I don't be caring to get along with people. If we really being honest.
I think Gemini have strong personalities.
I think so too.
They got multiple personalities.
I dated a Gemini.
I love Gemini's. Friendship wise,
Yeah.
yes.
Relationship wise, don't date us, honestly. I'm gonna tell you right
I
now.
talked to a Gemini.
I dated a Gemini. I don't like them.
It was Gemini.
David?
Oh wow.
Yeah. I won't date one. I talked to one, and I'm like, okay, our energies are too much alike, and we ain't going nowhere. So,
Well, I would never date a Pisces.
yeah.
You left him?
But
You hear me?
but yeah, y'all.
We have more lines.
I finished
done,
my
Cameron?
food.
Yeah, I'm done.
Done?
I finished my food.
I know y'all.
That was so good.
It was?
Mm-hmm.
You must have really had a taste for it.
That was really good.
You don't
I'm
think it's
satisfied.
This is fire.
I want more.
You don't like it?
I do, but the sauce is different.
The sauce tastes better. I don't know what it is. Like, I've never been to that one before, actually. So,
Wait, I gotta do a video.
A what?
A video.
Actually was a lot
Okay, so, did y'all want to talk about any more topics? No?
I'm thinking.
I got a lot of shit to say.
Go ahead.
Everybody was okay.
see? I was red.
Anyways, like I was telling you guys, I'm
Oh, yeah.
super shaken up about it. Like, I'm not driving anymore. Like, no.
In this situation, you gotta act like you're not really into somebody, knowing deep down inside you are. I feel like. You do not play like
I don't like
into
doing that.
them.
I like being straight up. If I'm just gonna mess around.
That's gonna be funny.
Is it on my face?
Yeah.
Take it off then!
What?
You said it's still my face.
No, no, it's not. I thought you said, did you see my face?
I was like in line. I didn't even get to go onto the freeway yet. So
You wanna get out?
a line of cars.
Actually-
The car behind me rear-ended.
In a little bit.
But I had to get on
Okay, y'all.
That was really good.
So, Cameron didn't really talk in the video.
Yes, I did talk.
I ran down there so fast that you don't understand. Like, I was
Go wash your hands.
sweaty. I had some brand new shoes.
You just-
I had literally just bought the day
I just
before.
burped it.
And I had ran when I was running.
My jaw been hurting, y'all.
Dirt.
You've been sucking too much.
No, I don't do that shit.
Ran down. Dirt.
I think it's my wisdom tooth.
You know what I'm saying? But it's all good. My baby's okay. You know what I'm saying?
I don't suck dick, so don't let them be over here.
Whip's not okay.
Yeah, the whip is definitely not okay.
She do.
My boyfriend.
We all know you do.
Yeah, of course.
Right.
They get the job done.
So why would I go around sucking people's dick? No.
It's really not my fault.
Don't
Like,
point
I'm
to
not
me.
doing anything. Like, it has to be in the McDonald's.
I know how.
I do.
know.
No.
drive-through once. Like, what the heck am I
I sucked
doing?
one person dick and that was about it.
Boom, somebody rear-ended me. Then it happened.
Next video, we're gonna do another one. It's gonna be, Would You Rather. That's gonna be funny, but it's probably gonna be a nasty edition. So yeah, y'all. I will see you guys in the next video. I eat so disgusting, y'all. Like, look at my finger.
I'm not sure.
My finger.
Luckily, everybody's okay.
Ignore me while I was eating disgustingly. Whoever was eating and grubbing, I'm zooming in on y'all.
Yeah.
So Amber, come in it. So I want you guys to press that like button. Subscribe. Please subscribe, you guys. And watch to the end.
Cameron, let me see them scissors.
And yeah.
They're right there. It's pretty.
Alright. Bye, you guys.
I thought she said the seasonings. Bye.
Bye.
To you. See, my days are cool without you.
God is good. That was fast. You just say that.
What is it? It's nasty.
Nasty? Does your sauce taste different?
Well, did mine taste different?
Taste it.
No, that sausage is burnt.
It tastes burnt?
Let me get up.
He said you nasty, babe. What does it taste like?
It's good.
A potato in here, too.
Let me see. Oh, you bit all of it?
Okay, let me stop it.
Cameron, you want this potato?
Yeah.
You ain't never eaten it.
Didn't work.
That's so much like it. Wait, I don't know how big it is. You want it to? You want some of the shrimp? You want shrimp?
I don't really like their shrimp.
What do I do?
Cool.
Trying to gain weight. Potato. I've been gaining weight. Hey now.
Oh, I got it on my shirt.
I'm like the fullest.
Okay, this is the aftermath, y'all. This is the aftermath. And I built my own tripod over there. All right, you guys.